You feeling lucky, punk? There's a brand new tool being rolled out right now. I'm making this video in early December, and this new tool will be available to all pretty much by early 2024. And this tool is going to allow creators to test 3 thumbnails at the same time easily for free. And we need to talk about it, and here's why. Thumbnails, I think we can all agree, are incredibly powerful when it comes to the video elements that drive results. And when I think about great videos that drive millions of views, it's always based on about 10 or so factors. Again, video elements. Elements like the thumbnail, the title, keywords, editing, the video topic, your voiceover, and your personality on camera. Or if you're not on camera, again, in your voiceover. Which brings me to this, a poll I posted on my community tab asking a simple question that I'll ask you now. What's the most powerful video element today on YouTube? Is it A, the thumbnail, B, the title, C, watch time, D, the topic, or E, the end screen? And what do you think? What's the most important thing in terms of really driving results here on YouTube? My community spoke, and this is what they said. A resounding 54% of those that responded to this particular poll, which was like over 800 people, 54% chose the thumbnail. And without question, and as mentioned, powerful. The thumbnail is really powerful, but there's a catch. You see, thumbnails are really powerful in the hands of a creator that can accomplish 2 things. And that's what I want to cover in this particular video. Because the more you're able to do these 2 things, the more likely your video will get pushed out. You'll get the views you're after and you'll succeed. It's going to be amazing. And this is where we talk about the packaging of your video. And a great video has a great video package, which consists of the topic that you cover. And here's a clue. You know, when you cover some topics, they're so much easier to drive views to. This video, 17,000 views to a channel that's pretty much left for dead because the topic was new. It was interesting. People wanted to know. They clicked. I delivered. I got a bunch of views and subscribers. Topics are powerful. And then the thumbnail and the title that are combined, especially when you focus on the message you want to convey. It's a lot more about a powerful message that compels someone to click rather than an aesthetically pleasing or pretty or a visually appealing thumbnail. Are you digging what I'm laying down? And this is just one of the variables that we need to discuss, because it's the variables that really determine your CTR. It's not just the words in your title. It's not just the aesthetically pleasing thumbnail. This thumbnail and title, this video is a great example from Airrack. I saw this video the other day and I was blown away. It was so well done. Everything, all those things I mentioned, fantastic, incredible acting. Actors on a set with incredible lighting and great audio and story and this big ambitious thing, spectacle, that all adds up to create a really awesome package that accomplishes, no, not a package, a video that goes on to drive 2.5 million views, 2.5 million views. Incredible. Now, Tommy from my group on Facebook, Tube Ritual, come hang out if you want to talk YouTube shop. He mentions that creator also has 10 million subscribers. It's different. And he's right. That's one of the variables. If you're small, nobody knows you, you don't have any brand recognition, and you just can't publish a video and get results. But fact of the matter is, this thumbnail, this kind of sad, depressed, and serious look, combined with I have to delete my channel, that is really compelling. That's a really strong message that it's literally clickbait, right on the edge of clickbait anyway, which is a great place to be. You want to be there and you want to deliver for the viewer. And I mentioned those 2 things. You see, Airrack, he does these 2 things so incredibly well and he crushes it. You see, when I discovered this particular video, you know what I did? I went and watched more videos from his channel, which is literally the thing we want as creators, right? But it's also one of the things that YouTube really pays attention to with the algorithm. And if you're not bringing viewers into your channel and they're not watching more of your video content, you may struggle, sadly, to get the results that you're after. So the thing I work on and the thing I advise my clients on is to focus on a topic the viewers, the audience that I want to get in front of is really interested in, and then work hard to create a great viewing experience so viewers come back. And this video actually brought about 1,000 viewers back to my channel, and I can measure that because of analytics. It's right there. And this is one of the problems. I mean, a thumbnail can never bring a viewer back to your channel. Once they start watching, you have to deliver on the wants and needs of the viewer who just discovered your content. And frankly, that can be pretty hard. I mean, it's challenging, really hard. And then there's the views themselves. You see, views don't just automatically generate more views. These two things do. Getting viewers to come back to your channel, that gets you more views, but the views themselves don't. Now, to be fair, they used to back in 2011, but it's 2023 now. And YouTube changed the algorithm because it was easy to exploit. And now they value watch time. And that's the thing I really want you to focus on. You see, even if you publish a video that does exceptionally well in terms of getting people to click, the CTR, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to keep viewers watching long enough to trigger the algorithm to push out your video to even more viewers. In fact, when you use this tool, it'll be a part of the upload process. Instead of uploading one thumbnail, you'll upload 3, and you'll see this wording right here. Why is watch time share used? And they're talking about watch time share as that's what this tool is measuring. It's not measuring CTR, it's measuring watch time share. Great thumbnails don't just get viewers to click, they also help viewers to understand what the video is about so they can make an informed decision as to what to watch. And that last word is the key to get them to keep watching. And there's a simple trick, a hack that you can leverage. An audience retention hack in this video on the screen covers that very thing. Click that video, and when you do, you're going to get some interesting and very quirky and odd. This guy is odd. This guy. And not only that, you're going to feed a poodle. You'll get the ideas, the tips, the tactics to get more views, and you're going to feed a poodle. You dig?